All right, it's time. It's time for you to actually understand and master marketing for your functional medicine or DPC practice. It is not rocket science. It's just hard to find the answers because everybody has an agenda. And so that's what I want to offer. I want to offer you a plan. I want to offer you a roadmap. I want to offer you the opportunity to ask a marketer who specializes in digital marketing for growing functional medicine and DPC practices just like yours. We're going to cut through the red tape, the chaff, the hype, because there's no magic pill. There is no magic pill for marketing. There's not a one size fits all. Everybody has a different demographic they want to reach, even though it's very close. Every area around the country is different. So what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about websites. Which website's going to be best? Is it WordPress? Is it Squarespace? Is it Wix? How do I access my darn website? We're going to show you how to log in to your website, how to log into your Facebook page, Instagram, Meta Business Suite, Google Business Listing, the list goes on. And then CRMs. What the heck is a CRM? Do I want to email all my patients? How do I email people that are coming in? How do I send a regular newsletter? We're going to talk about that. The goal is, if you've been thrown into this position, whether you're the business owner or maybe an office manager that's being forced to wear the marketing hat, we want to be your resource. I am going to be your resource. My name is Andrew Newland, the owner and founder and CEO of Functional Medicine Marketing and Direct Primary Care Marketing. I'm also the co-author with my lovely wife of a couple different books, one being Digital Marketing and SEO for Functional Medicine Practices, and we also wrote one for DPC practices as well. My goal is to be a resource for you. So we're going to be doing a weekly masterclass, webinar, seminar, workshop, whatever you want to call it. It's not going to be long, 20, 30 minutes. It's going to be super practical. It's going to be tailored towards you in the DPC, functional medicine, holistic, integrative space. This is perfect for med spas, chiropractors, functional medicine doctors, direct primary care practices, concierge, etc. If you are cash-based or member-based medical, this is going to be perfect for you. Even if you are a hybrid with insurance as well, this is going to be valuable for you. So join me once a week. We're going to be possibly changing the time here and there, but most of the time we're going to be on Fridays so I'm in Mountain Time, so Fridays at 10 Mountain or 12 Eastern. So you can make the calculation from there, whether you're Pacific or Central or otherwise. So please join me. Send in your questions. All you got to do is give us your name and email, and we will send you a link to the Zoom webinar that we will be meeting once a week. Again, 20, 30 minutes, super practical. We want to answer your questions, even want to walk through if you've got something real practical, something really pressing, we want to handle that for you. So we may throw out the topic and somebody says, hey, I'm under the gun here. I've got Google ads that are going out and it's charging a bunch of money and I don't know how to get control of it. I don't know if it's working. Can you look at it? Or SEO. What is this dumb SEO thing? Should I just be using ChatGPT? Here's a good one. What questions should I be asking my marketing agency to know that they're actually doing something? How do I pick a good marketing agency? Anyway, there's so many topics. I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be lively. It's going to be really a bunch of secrets, and I'm just going to bear it all to you. So join us once a week. Again, 12 o'clock Eastern on Friday noon, and we will dive in. We'll see you then. Talk to you soon.